Well, I finally found one. A 50s vintage Frigidaire refrigerator. They call this one the Cold Wall. I don't know exactly what the year is of this, or even if it works. It's not in bad shape. Barn find. It's even got a 70s vintage State Farm insurance. I can tell you that's 70s because it's that reflective 3M stuff that's really tough to get off. Yeah, it's had a few battle scars on it, but it's a barn find. It's not in terrible shape. It's all intact anyway. Oh, this door gasket is in dire need of replacement, but other than that, the interior is not bad. Nothing a spray bottle of 409 wouldn't fix. None of the plastic is broken, which is really surprising. Well, I suppose I'll just set it down for a second. We'll plug this in and just kind of do this. Of course, it doesn't want to stay put. Alright. See what happens when we turn this. Oh. Well, I know you can't hear it on this, but early vintage compressor, and it's running at its 1725 RPM glory. It is working. Well, let's just say the motor's actually... Oh! You know what I hear? I hear refrigerant 12 gurgling through the pipes. That is a good sign. Well, we're going to let this thing run and do its thing and cool itself down. For the time being, I am going to research a door gasket and get a bottle of 409, and we're going to clean this guy up, and we're going to replace our modern Whirlpool with this one. Let me tell you, it's great living in the past, because the world of today sucks.